In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Webflow, and it's a process that won't take more than 5 minutes. To start off, make sure you're logged into Webflow with your account credentials. Once done, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. From your dashboard, locate the project you'd like to work on. This is crucial because the changes you make will directly affect this particular project. Once you've identified the project, click on it to open it up. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a series of panels. We're focusing on the Add panel this time. Within this panel, you'll either find an image element listed under the Media section, or you can find it by using the Search feature. What you'll do next is very simple. Drag and drop this image element onto the section of your canvas where you want your image to appear. It's as easy as clicking and dragging, then letting go where you want it to go. With the image element now in place on your canvas, it's time to head over to the Settings panel, usually located to the right. Click on Choose Image, and you'll be taken to the Assets panel. In this panel, you have a couple of options. You can select an image that's already been uploaded to your site's assets, or if you need something new, click the Upload icon. Look for the cloud with an arrow symbol to pull a fresh image from your computer. A nifty feature here is that you can drag and drop images directly into this panel if you have them ready to go. Once your image is either uploaded or selected, you can adjust its various settings back in the right-hand panel. First, let's talk about alt text. Adding alternative text is a good practice as it enhances accessibility, making your site more user-friendly and SEO effective. You might also want to modify the size and position of the image to fit your design perfectly. If you're using the image as a background, you can adjust the positioning, tiling, and size to suit your design needs. And if that image is going to be clickable, select the link block element and add your URL in the settings to make it functional. Finally, if you're applying the image as a background to a specific element or section, visit the Style panel and scroll down to Backgrounds. There's a plus icon to add your image. Choose from your assets or upload a new one right here. Then, you'll be able to adjust those background image settings like position, size, and more, ensuring it fits seamlessly within your design. And that's it. You're all set with your image nestled beautifully in your Webflow project, giving your design that extra visual pop. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.